Using Smart Excel drop-down pick lists can save you time and effort every day. Find and select items faster in long lists, list in random order, list containing duplicates, drop-down lists with cells containing long text, and in multiple columns. You too can save time every day when you switch to using Smart Excel drop-down. Starting with the drop-down search function, you can quickly find matching items in Excel drop-down lists by using just a partial word, multiple words and even multiple phrases. Also by hiding duplicates for a list of unique values. Plus, there is an Excel drop-down sort, either up or down. And the Excel drop-down pick list is immediately displayed as you select the cell. No more moving the mouse to click on the drop-down arrow. You also see a lot more rows in the drop-down window for faster scanning. There is also a full-size scroll bar to quickly zip up and down the list. And the Excel drop-down pick list is in a larger font size, making it easier and faster to read. Let me demonstrate the Smart Excel drop-down functions. First, I will find and select Bernie from this list of names. In this search cell I can enter a partial word, multiple words or multiple phrases. So when I type B for Bernie, the list immediately shrinks to just 2 people. I can select Bernie and use Tab or Enter key to save the cell. That only took a few seconds and there was no scrolling or scanning the list to find Bernie. The Excel drop-down search function is even more powerful. To demonstrate, I'll use a long drop-down list of 3,000 towns. Let's assume we are adding a new customer to our drop-down list and need the postal address of their town. The town we need is Mount Glorious. So I start typing M and O and I can immediately see there's a long list of names. So let's start typing Glorious. First I type a comma to indicate a new word and then G and L and there it is. That also only took a few seconds. Smart Dropdown is so simple to use. You don't need to waste time creating any formulas or filters or writing VBA. Just install the add-in and start saving time. Why not take a free trial today? The list of names has many duplicates, which makes scrolling tedious and slow looking for Bernie. Simply by clicking the Hide Duplicates button, the duplicate rows vanish, leaving just the unique items. The list is now 15 names and I can immediately see Bernie. That was fast. And again, no typing was required. Now let's sort the list by clicking the Sort A to Z button. And I can immediately see, and click on Bernie. And again no typing was required. Here you can see 16 rows in the drop-down window, versus just 8 rows. This makes scanning the list easier and faster for you. Now let's try the large scroll bar. And on the next page is Bernie. The font size of the Excel drop-down list window is larger, to make it easier to read and faster to scan. The list is actually displayed in the same font as the cell. Plus, you can control how much magnification you want, making it easier and faster for you to read. Installation is quick and easy. Simply download and open the workbook. Enter the activation code, click where you want the add-in installed and then restart Excel. What could be simpler? Many Excel drop-down lists can be frustrating. And worse, they can lead to making errors. And scrolling through a long list of items is tedious and a waste of time. Who has time for that? Why not take an obligation-free trial of Smart Excel drop-down now and see how much easier your work can be? No credit card is required and you can start saving time within minutes. Click on the link below to get started. Or visit www.smartexceluser.com. If you like this video, please click on the like button. And please click subscribe to be the first to see new products being released. Smart Excel drop-down is so simple to use. You don't need to waste time creating any formulas or filters or writing VBA. Just install the add-in and start saving time. Why not take a free trial today? Everything I just demonstrated is automatically available for all your Excel drop-down cells in every Excel spreadsheet. You start saving time from the moment you install Smart Dropdown software. But Smart Dropdown has even more to offer, for greatly enhancing Excel drop-down functionality. Instantly. Without you having to write complex formulas or VBA. There is Smart Dropdown Multi-Option. This option includes everything in Smart Dropdown Lite, plus display multiple columns and even a table in the Excel drop-down pick list. How much nicer would it be to see the customer name alongside customer code? Making it simpler and easier to select the right one. The search function automatically looks in all the displayed columns. Imagine searching for the customer name to get the right code. No need to separately look up a list for the right code. It's built in. No formulas or code needed. And you can save time by selecting multiple drop-down rows at a time. No need to switch cells to select the next item. All items are stored in the drop-down cell with a separator between them. And Smart Dropdown includes a function so your formulas can easily extract the first, second, third entry, etc. Plus, there's the Smart Dropdown Pro option. This option includes everything that is in Smart Dropdown Lite and the Multi option. Now you can display a variable number of columns or a large Excel table, up to 99 columns. Which is great for cascading or dependent lists, where there may be a varying number of levels. Also, you can display a related photo, PDF, Word document, Excel spreadsheet, and even a web page. Plus, you can choose to return a value from the first, second, or last column, concatenate all the columns, or return an invisible column. For example, a customer-friendly description or an internal code. It's so simple, just add a range name for the first column of the table. The range name just needs the drop-down prefix and option codes at the front. Here the letter U displays 4 columns and the number 1 says that when stored in the drop-down cell to add a comma between each town ID. It's fast, it's easy to use, and no formulas or VBA are required. See for yourself. Take a free trial today.